My name is Renee Zukin, and I am so pleased that you are here. Whether you're a published novelist, a closet journaler, or maybe ready to launch your blog, I'm here to support you in working through the anxiety, the self-doubt, the writer's block that gets in the way so that you can reconnect to your authentic voice, feel truly empowered to express yourself, and create lasting impact with your message. I take a stand and I truly, truly believe in your innate ability to tap into your creativity, where you can find clarity, make new discoveries, and uncover the magic that allows you to overcome almost any obstacle. We may be rebels, but we are not loners. And I'm so excited to be on this journey with you.